मेन म्हणल्यार एज फार एज डिजिटल इंडिया कन्सेप्ट ऑफ वॉट आमचो प्रायम मिनिस्टर श्री नरेंद्र मोदीजीचे विजन आशिल्लें टू टेक एवरी स्टेट digitally. With that, we have started in the last 15 months putting our policies right. IT policies come on track. Startup policies come on track and getting implemented. आता ताका support systems जाय पडटा which need to be given in terms of infrastructure connectivity. Connectivity चे वाटे we are already having the last mile connectivity which we are looking how to enhance that particular product as far as connectivity is concerned, which we are also thinking about going to every household. Wi-Fi plays a very dominant role. Basically, we are talking about starting from the secretariat and the ministerial block. Maximum people who come to give presentations or people who come to meet ministers or the secretaries or the people here concerned, they should be able to have Wi-Fi enablement in their particular system, which will allow them to browse through, or maybe if they need to have some presentation, it will be ease of doing business for them. Taja Khatir, there are three categories of users that we have done. One is the VVIP, that includes all the ministers and their staff. One is the office users, which are a part of the office of the secretariat. And third is the guest who comes in. Like Akash and Secretary ITS said, each one will have a OTP generated for which you can go and log in, and a 1 hour usage. Like guest user ekadi 20 Mbps speed asteli, VVIP च्या हातून 100 Mbps speed asteli. So these speeds are configured as per requirement in that particular thing. But basically this whole network can be expanded to roughly about 10,000 APs. Now when we are talking about this type of a network and the controller being here, the main thing is the next schedule of Wi-Fi which we are talking about and planning. आता Wi-Fi करतले जाल्यार enabling समज फुडें वाडयतले from this place, then we need to have the systems placed. So the priority is schools, priority is colleges, priority is institutions, priority is constituency wise public oriented spaces which will be made into Wi-Fi throughout the 40 constituencies. This will be done in phases. So ek waten we are connecting to every household. Second side, Wi-Fi is being given as a additional tool for people to come and get their things right. खूप startup असता, when we are talking about IT anywhere, innovations and from any point of view, they need sometimes a backup sort of a thing which a good frequency is available. ताज्या खातीर initiative today has started from the secretariat and the ministers block. This will ripple into different parts of the state, and which will also take care as a backup for a lot of institutions in the education sector. कित्याक एज्युकेशनान जेन्ना आमी वता, बॅकअप जाय पडटा, कंटेंट आसता, आनी जशें सिलेबस चेंज जाता तशें technology is changing, and if we need to keep in par with what we are doing today, we need to ensure that a strong backup is there. ताज्या खातीर Wi-Fi is one of the enabler to ensure that the strong backup is given to the people. Whatever Akash has been talking about as a presentation now basically includes the login, which normally you would know when it's a Wi-Fi area, how to log in. I would request the press and the media also to understand what it is. That तुम्ही सुद्धा जेन्ना येता, you all are covering live, you all are having a lot of usages under this particular part, which this again can help you all stream Facebook live होता, तुम्ही streaming करता, which will be very seamless. So this will also allow a better output from your side also to give a report or a press release immediately from here itself, wherever required. So the basic concept is something which Goa has not been talking about till date. Another feather in the IT, which we are talking about with Wi-Fi coming in. This is the first part of Wi-Fi what has happened today, which will move into various locations. Basically the concept of a digital state, digitally Goa, आणि ह्या हाज्या खातीर जे आमी सगळे पॉलिसीज बाकीचे करतात ते डिजिटल स्टेट करपा खातीर जे इनिशिएटिव्ह जाय तातलो एक महत्वाचो इनिशिएटिव्ह आज लॉन्च ऑनरेबल सीएमान केल्लो आसा. कनेक्टिविटी इज टू टायप्स. तुम्ही जी कनेक्टिविटी म्हणटा इज फॉर मोबायल टावर्स. ज्या लोकांक मोबायल सिग्नलूय जाय तांकां टावरूय नाका आसता. सो दिस आर सेंटिमेंटल, इमोशनल एंड सायंटिफिकली इट इज बीन प्रूव्ड that you can keep your small IBS or BIS poles, but then you have different methods of things. So I am not getting into that. We are saying in terms of internet or usage, we are able to give you backup through this particular mode. ऑफ वायफाय. सो आतां हे मोड सुरवात जाली आनी जेन्ना रिपल जावंक लागले एवरी स्टेट, द टार्गेट इज 12 to 18 months टू अचीव दीस 40 कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीज. एकदां अचीव जालें जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता along with this a major part in each vertical, that is the policy जाय तो infrastructure in terms of buildings, that is startup village, IT village, चिमला तुवें जे चालू जाला ताज्याच बरोबर कनेक्टिविटी सगळी आमी जाग्यार घालता टू मेक गोवा द मोस्ट प्रिफर्ड डेस्टिनेशन. एंड वायफाय हियर वील प्ले अ वेरी इंपॉर्टंट रोल. कित्याक खंय देशान गेलो तूं नाल्यार परदेशान गेलो तूं वचना फुडें देर आर वायफाय डेजिग्नेटेड स्पेसीस वीच पीपल यूज. This is exactly what we are doing today. See, government offices, institutions, schools, colleges, wherever GBBN network is there, I think this will be the first part where we will look at. Second is the Wi-Fi zones, which we are trying to structure and get it right. Maybe we may have a consultant or somebody to assist us to get this idea right. But basically, the vision of the government under Shri Manohar Parrikar is to make Goa a digital state. And digital state Wi-Fi plays quite a predominant role to achieving these results, which will be coming in phases and something which people will be feeling it after using it. आता कितें जाता पळय, one side we are giving you IT enabled, like e-district is moved. From e-district we have moved to e-revenue. E-revenue department and खुबश्यो डिपार्टमेंटाचे तुमकां सर्टिफिकेट्स, इनकम, बाकीच्यो सगळ्यो ऑनलायन केल्ल्यो आसा. So the person already certificates are kept free to promote IT online. Now we are giving you designated zones or whatever which will come in the future, which will allow you to get a lot of output. So मनशाक IT वापरून आपली स्वताची वाटचाल फुडें कशी करूंक मेळटा, how to digitally empower a citizen is something the state is looking at from various forums, and this is how we are looking at as one of the enablers. Yes, in every constituency. See, first we have taken the first one which we have taken today. This one is the main part. From here, when we are talking about 10,000 APs which can be created, the escalation of cost won't be much. This is the initial place where we have invested in. So we are able to reach quite a area which can be mapped in a very minimal cost.
So the main thing here is the controller. So right now the controller which we have in the secretariat that can handle 10,000 access points. So the cost of an access point is not much. It's that device you see on the wall, that white device, that's an access point. So there is no cost to it. Plus we have a GBBN network which is 2,500 kilometers of fiber, with every college already having a POP location, every government having a POP location. I have been able to, the department has been able to acquire bandwidth extremely cheap, sir. 5 lakh rupees, 5,03,000 for 100 Mbps, which if you see the per day cost per MB, it is hardly 80 or 90 rupees, something like that. So tomorrow the thing is per day for 100 Mbps is only 80 or 90 rupees. Okay. So the point is that now if you want to scale it up, it's very easy. And as sir mentioned, if we create a Wi-Fi internet enabled public spaces, then a lot of government services which are being pushed online can be easily acquired and accessed by citizens. That's why there is a MAC binding of the device. That means that every mobile phone, every PDA has something called a MAC address. So when you log on to the network and you are a registered user, the MAC address gets captured in the network. So that establishes an audit trail of whichever site you have visited, this, that, the other. Secondly, standard filtering mechanisms which are required for filtering out pornographic sites, all other things are already in place. So certain sites cannot be accessed under any circumstances in this network. Also, there is a very strong firewall protection.
The bandwidth was tendered, it was an open tender, and the rate which has been come for 100 Mbps
is
1:1 is 5 lakh rupees. So 5 lakhan 100 Mbps speed मेळप
1
एका वर्साक. I think you can't get
BSNL didn't bid. They didn't bid, sir.
BSNL
They didn't.
BSNL did not even bid. BSNL I think took the document but did not even bid.
Yeah, they did not bid.
I don't want to comment on things which nobody has bid. It has been an open tender for people to come, and the rate which has been identified is a very minimal rate, very competitive in terms of today's market.
If you go privately and survey 100 Mbps 1:1 for 1 year, you take the rate, this figure is astoundingly low.